Winter is here, and while you might think spring is the time to protect your car, the truth is, winter is the best time to apply a ceramic coating. Road salt, moisture and grime attack your paint every time you drive. Without protection, your car's finish is vulnerable to corrosion, dulling and long-term damage. That's where our advanced ceramic coating comes in. With self-cleaning, anti-stick technology, contaminants won't cling to your paint. They wash away with rain or a simple rinse. And unlike traditional waxes that fade over time, our ceramic coating keeps your car looking freshly waxed, permanently. You'll turn heads with that high-gloss showroom finish, no matter the season. More than just shine, a nano coating is an investment, blocking oxidation, UV damage and environmental wear to preserve your car's value for years to come. Winter is tough on your car. Get ahead of the damage before it starts with ceramic coating from Automotive Protection Services. Protect now, shine forever. Schedule your appointment today.